Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions that was asked also in our speculations of what if, I like to do this from time to time, when we have something that, what if things have been different? What would it change? Over the years, of course, Windows operating systems all, reached a point where they would usually start declining quite fast as a new one was there. And by the end of support, most systems were on, pretty low numbers. Now, we've got a situation here which is different. We talked about it, where Windows 10 will probably still be the main operating system at end of support, October 2025. So the question was, what if instead of Windows 11 24H2 being at Sun Valley, the next big update, we really would have had this year a Windows 12. What would that change? Could that make Windows 10 decline faster? It's not impossible. Sometimes, we've talked about it a lot. People often jump a version. So, a lot of people jumped versions from, say, Windows 98 went directly to Windows XP and didn't go to Millennium, for example. And from Windows XP, now that was a big change, but people jumped over Vista and went directly to 7. And people went from 7 and jumped over 8 to go directly to 10. So Windows 11 is that skip over version that we talk about. And a lot of people are giving it negative comments. So that doesn't help, which means Windows 11 will probably be the skip over version as time goes by. But Windows 12 could have maybe changed that. People would have been unhappy with Windows 11 and Windows 12 would have come along, and maybe, yes, Windows 10 would have dropped faster at Windows 12. But now Microsoft's decided that instead of Windows 12 at Sun Valley will be a simple big update to Windows 11 again. So we're keeping Windows 11 name and branding. We are also keeping what people don't like. So that is probably the case that Windows 12 would have helped Windows 10 drop faster, because maybe people would have waited for Windows 12 to buy a PC. That said, Windows 12 is maybe still in the works and could be a 2025 version of Windows. We don't know yet. We don't know anything about, how far have they dropped the idea of Windows 12. But definitely the fact that they're keeping the Windows 11 branding with 24H2 being a big AI update, that Windows 10 will not drop very fast. And Windows 12 would have probably, up to what point, that's hard to establish. But I guess, yes, Windows 10 would have dropped faster with a Windows 12. So in branding, if they would have chosen to, just say, well, oh, we have Windows 12 here, maybe that would have helped going forward. But that would make also many versions of Windows to take care of. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.